Man, this Willie Ocamp and John Steenhuisen story just doesn't want to go away, just like a bad stain. If you need a reminder, let me jog your memory. So apparently, John Steenhuisen was eating Democratic Alliance money with Uber Eats, typical corruption politician type of stuff. And Willie Ocamp was having none of it. He basically snitched to the Democratic Alliance and Helen Ziller, and they started looking into John Steenhuisen. John Steenhuisen got into trouble. They even wanted to fire him as the leader of the Democratic Alliance because, the Democratic Alliance, there's only one leader, and that's Helen Ziller. So now, apparently, Willie Ocamp, and by the way, Willie Ocamp is the Minister of Forestry, fishing, and also the environment. So yeah, man, it's kind of a big deal, but still, he's a subordinate to John Steenhuisen. So now, Willie Ocamp decided to resign. So things are going bad at the Democratic Alliance, and that's very concerning. If you're a DA supporter, you should be concerned because you cannot have such drama while we are leading up to the, you know, to the elections, right? The local elections, and local elections actually need people to come together as the Democratic Alliance. So when this guy resigns, who's going to assume his role? Because now it's going to be problems. John Steenhuisen just needs to be humble because he wanted to fire Willie Ocamp for actually snitching on him. So, man, there are troubles at the Democratic Alliance. And this is just a reminder once again, politicians will politic. John Steenhuisen, as you can see nowadays, is getting a bit chubby, he's getting a bit big. He's enjoying the GNU money. He has never had this kind of preference, and they're treating him important at the ANC. They're inviting him into meetings. He's inside these rooms because, hey man, Ramaphosa knows how to play politics. He knows that if he makes John Steenhuisen feel important, there is no way Helen Ziller will, want to demote him or make him feel less important because John Steenhuisen will be like, hey man, like, Abu Ramaphosa now respect me. It's not like before, right? So yeah, man, like this thing is going to make the Democratic Alliance have problems when we are reaching the local elections because right now everyone is making sure that they are not into any heavy scandals. They are making sure that they are remaining clean, but apparently the Democratic Alliance is not doing that. So yeah, man, this story I know is going to pop up again. So yeah, I will have no choice but to report on this story. So yeah, follow me for more news.